Good morning, everyone. So today's date is 4th September 2020. Now time is around 11:30. Today we took some time to do personal work. Actually, we are unable to stay in front of computer. It's already executed. Now we are in profit. Let's see how much this particular trade will give. Now it's in 78 80 rupees. Yes, I don't want to stay in this trade for long. If I get at least 120 rupees, I will exit. That is my target for today because I need to leave again. So I want to close now. Let's see. Okay. Yes, I think done. Okay. If you like this video, kindly comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time, guys. Stay safe and stay home.